Welcome back to MVP Auto. Today, we're bringing you something really special, a close, cinematic look at this absolutely stunning red sport hatchback. Just look at the lines, the aggressive stance, and that bold color scheme. It's the perfect blend of sportiness and luxury, and trust me, you're going to want to watch this one till the end. Starting from the front, you can immediately see how sharp and dynamic the design is. The headlights are slim and aggressive, giving the car a very focused and athletic look. The front bumper is sculpted with aerodynamic elements that aren't just for show, they really add to that high-performance vibe. The glossy red paint job, contrasted with black accents around the grille and air intakes, makes the front end look absolutely fierce. Moving to the side profile, this car has an incredibly sleek silhouette. It's low to the ground, wide, and perfectly balanced, giving it a real ready-to-launch feeling. Notice those massive black and silver alloy wheels, they don't just look good, they hint at serious grip and handling performance. The black side skirts and the blacked-out window frames give it an even sportier edge. And check out that sharp crease that runs across the doors, it adds motion and aggression even when the car is standing still. At the rear, the design gets even better. The taillights are slim and futuristic, wrapping around the sides for that modern look. The spoiler on the back isn't just stylish, it gives the car a performance-oriented finish. Paired with the black roof and tinted windows, the hatchback has that perfect, stealthy appearance. One of my favorite parts about this car is the panoramic black roof. It stretches almost all the way from front to back, giving the car a premium, open feel when you're inside. Even from the outside, it adds a very classy, upmarket touch to the sporty character. Overall, this hatchback isn't just about looking good, it's about blending style, performance, and practicality. Whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the open road, it turns heads wherever it goes. If you enjoyed this cinematic walkaround, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to MVP Auto, and turn on notifications because we've got a lot more awesome content coming your way. Let us know in the comments what you think about this car. Is this the kind of hatchback you'd love to drive? See you in the next video.